Homo efe. But Bosomi Suna went to Venture car 1, 2, 3 months. That same team will come out and demonstrate, sir, yaya juma yintia eka. Eti di onsabe kokwaso, di onsabe soso no. Na why? Now the president is saying, sir, almost for 10,000 instead of the initial 5,000. No? So what I'm saying is, say, I my boy, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Basso, because he's a listening president. I am president for you that you are Bibisa, so I love what His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is doing, especially air security in Sensemi. Because Nipa 50,000, or they about 10,000 out of 10,000. I don't know, so automatically 10,000 now qualify and I'm a because what can I say 10,000? 10,000 no mukwa chimu say so no kwa oh no so say ni samu no omukwa samu 10,000 no na aka 5,000 and then say 10,000 you ma qualify you and I say security for almost had to be back ho but back at say 40,000 I carry now qualify you. And even this 10,000, I feel that Boko mu sa mu other checks near Yaki can weigh 5,000. And I say health crowd na before from that Boko mu 6,000 qualifier. And I put thousands qualifier. So 40,000 I can baby you 40,000 busu mu qualify lo. Bu baby you 1,000 across 9,000 so ada. Alright, he have any packers. Well, he have it, Mamwaka say. Oh, dear, ammonia. No, very well, say it's not about ammonia yet, but Mudia wouldn't say. You have to buy about 5 cups as an annual man. So, but out of bunch anymore, dear Kana, not all Molia Kana. And the brand new crowd say, oh, a perfume. Oh, boy. So financial muscle senior, what's that? A market can so it tells you, say, sir, 40,000 now you can hear some qualify. It's not true, qualify. But Krobia menu hono, Bema Famba, your friend Bema. Aye. 40,000 for all that you may know, 40,000 now you have to qualify. And move 30,000 now 20,000 qualify. But the question me say, yeah, get financial clearance for them. So far as we cannot get financial clearance for them, what they will do is say, yam chichum na yenye bi yamfa nyoma bi go ebedru baby you need favor of God Christ and your found. But se keska ho de fa ke move 40,000 down hey baby besa apply next year or be qualify. So it's not about qualify. Over come pa 50,000 e ko ni pa 10,000 per na 5,000 per dem qualify. But you this sika. Because answer about top forms you assess yourself. On say or height or physique or health, you know how crab in ya de to be o ya de ni ade mo mu kwan. It is Excellency John Dramani, we thank you. You wait my more, but we thank you for this decision. This is a before because the decision we any. Ah, they have found craft 5,000. No, we see them for 10,000. It's not good news. It's good news. But the other person about 10,000 every name quadano. On Babet, now fee, Omu 5 months. Now posting for a security personnel. Saying, "Chum, can you send Casamabu?" And I say, "No, I'm great. Chum, Kakra," and I say, "A robbery because he is supposed to new home, soldier new home, where you will not get into Muka." Hey, a common liberating many pa I am on you. E jani pa bebre na timi komu. Nipa bebre won timi kom. And it is good. But ya hwe so we can pay. They bet ya. Am I financial distress bia? I don't know me many wo hu. I know na me many wo hu. Me best situation hwe afa ni aba ba ya brofo foforo. But we are happy. Ah, me na maka cho adamboa. because anya hwe you know any pa extra 5,000 kom kwa kwotene fie na me adom on ba be kan and to employ 5,000 people is not a joke.
Sompa FM.
It's not a joke to employ 5,000 security personnel. It's not a joke. Like every 3 months, BSF per 5,000 in other sectors. I think I Ghana current employment yes, they say minimum. Say Yasum Bedouin. It me for 10,000, sir. Sector be a year rather than Gary. But we know, say. The most institutions say teachers for the way we striking say. Even some of them, the allowances that they have agreed on what say, and almost say MOU as no crown. Payment crown have issues. Payment has become issues. That's the kind of situation we are in. What? And you don't take it as a joke. 5,000 extra a year. And sometimes, yeah, banner cosmetics, dodo. As if they did not know, say, we can do more than that. This is maybe your casa, your quite once. As a money feeding you pay. I'm not pay matching.
Opening me also.
A pombo cody.
Obadi Adaroma, me hoye, me bacho na unsuwe.
Obadi Adu me hoye pa.
Eda chidi amponya kupona si.
Me hoye pa.
Eda chidi amponya kupona si.
They say international news, no, we show more Fabiana Esru.
Trump
ye dins and send me
I say, a Trump na ni huwa ba asem you. Trump na ni huwa ba asem you. Ade say over 3 days. 3 days e twam aba 1 week. 1 week e twam say e ko 3 weeks. Say o say time mo pe no mo ya yi.
Say homo says conference. O say ke be yan ko muma of other countries. Say ko mumra Australia money other ones.
Yes.
Now umfa men mra be fight.
Dabi na wo kra ko no wo ka jiro.
O ka jiro bi.
O ka jiro mo say me ko fon to ba.
So be pass am obi ati say US.
Ade ane ob nkofo no mo mpo mo asem na.
Ana me ye be pass am me be kwan ede.
Dabi ai o be kwan ede o be kwan ede. Ei.
Oh, you be a baby.
And you ever baby over fair?
You be a pass, I'm a quantity.
You ever baby over fair?
And Trump would say that Obia, you are singing I would not. Also, what the strongest navy? Yes, you US are one when it comes to
dear. We can't doubt it.
But what you so don't go for you now.
We can't doubt it. Anne.
Now, I call more dear cross.
Now, Bessas, only one year. Oh, I can't continue vena from us home.
Major country, we said China.
Is it?
What we
Is it?
China for your job. Oh, Trump will buy it. What to BBM, Muse? Way at the export bar, what did you have to?
At the taxes,
where
you are increasing as a force.
Now, they are fed your pepper. I go me a fish. I go me a fish. And to that Trump, there's a pump and half of the best I will. I want for that say Yaboka.
Me dogger. Me dogger.
Oh, there.
No, if you say Utu and a more you cover a oh shit, country near skip them. Or call more president, that be BNC will be a hush, you know. If you say what we. We feed no me kaya me bosses ya never me trim CIA and now we are sakra na Iran dey babe to us we Kwame ya o call ya ya confirm omo president ah obi ehu hwe no ade atie no fi say we officer was send warning the Iran for betumi bibia bi meanwhile Iran na omo advance omo when it comes to security wise and for the US no my times 2 they see
omo supreme leader.
No, my year times 2 I see.
Oh, you need a bomb no you.
Me say bomb no nyina nso or yen wo Iran or what?
Bomb no dey.
Until you have no knowledge about that. Oh, USA phone. You have no knowledge about that.
Germany call, even US. Go suya there.
Sompa FM.
Them back. Ti bomb no me no wo krom no mo yen.
Ane.
Ti unhu code no. Say US phone say countries be or ya no afraid German engineers or afraid US for or afraid we or afraid special do ma be omo anko for ntu code no adi code
dabi so my smart omo say wo ye be ye no wo kru ma na say ye don call for ba no be ya e no be hu kwan e be fa so eri ni ma but ye nya ne sa ye ne ba be ye di And Onim, I love the fact to say Iran almost pray. They are not in rush. Almost so relaxed to say, "Oh the bar near the Xiao, oh the bar near the Xiao." Now Yansu ye two and more be kawan kasa. Dino matter what
South Korea for, not Korea for. Mo na onya touch the can.
China and Russia for you atiada. France for so atiada, Germany for atiada. Obiya yinani. Obiya yinani. So see ube to me the world police.
Yes.
Koko de anyway.
And onim.
Koko ye.
Aba for say o man bia on want me nye bibia.
Dey be da.
Russia for a fucking. Omu ye smart. O say ya no mu di aid akomo. Sub medical aid.
Fast.
Monye.
Fast.
Some of the bomb na mu yem say o medical monye. Etu obi a odi ma o bi. Etu wan yo obi obaba be boa kwa me waso be he.
Otu achi.
Etu obi a no say monye medical aid. Monye.
I don't pay na me kind Macron, a France president, or the crata video about one tier who to resign a USA for. Said you more here, no montetis woman chip.
Yes.
Woman withdraw Sanya man.
Yeah.
Because Kwame, no question is that fabricated story now, United States of America, and then Namsu Eddie to bomb a person who destroy USA, you know. And fact. However, if say a case a true kakra wo baby kra Kwame ye wo kwan ye faso e di nyoma na di tutu dio
na onim people have seen said the Donald Trump yen or a stereotype na Kwame akwane and people are saying say so ozi supreme leader Marku supreme leader that we are mudina ho ye dey me say akwano agenda for you
me say and some the question
I say no US is powerful than Iran.
Yes.
And you can't take it away. When it comes to even number of military, almost Iran. A bad number, but almost one your maybe the bed do them.
And Kwame, USA for the more powerful, say. On that is a Ghana see. Nobody build the base, security base, we will have them baby. Oh, me, yeah, bye.
Sit down.
Eddie, to say we are Ghana say and as okay, mean you so other country. No, I could build the base or hold them. No, I say weapons and who will be the association shekef bimo. In this Kobasa or in Nigeria, ebe kontokwa. Ne two and as for be releasing na every USA na bow. Eba free Ghana now. But here is the case, base a hold one in so I build the building. No, say woman in answer Mahon Kwan say. Oba be sha say atutu ndi free onye sa oba to free ho a Iran for be ka say ye ne mo akona ebo ne ye kontokwa
say no na
eti eno na kripo omo as say
Dubai for ko ebi omo so sa ene be send dem na oni say edru ba bi no o say ba bi wa kro bi wa they don't allow USA or maybe
yes
it's edru ba bi what US is saying say machines but you need a base to operate
yes
and you move free half for say Australia I have for mama yen use mu base no. I said that be because you knew what will happen. Say and then your base was Ghana. Say if I say your base was Australia.
I don't know. Because we have been suma mess as the free Ghana pay Iran for one mess our metro no. Omo family use o. Omo de bagana.
Omo so omo ya for omo nka say omo de ba omo so omo to bomb ka say yamfa magana for hwede omo ye Dubai for yamfa magana
oh yeah the buy US base there Ghana
thank you
omo ya smart too
yamfa magana for ye the bra US base ne ho
eno ne ade a wo mu de awie USA kwan bi so amase say US hu ba bi obefa strategically omo weaken omo omo weaken USA for Trump say atoto omo ne press conference ne na se for ne kasa bebrebe say ya tin run adwe be as one amiko hu wo mo war secretary no kwakọ press conference na me tro bibi say masa be brave enough to accept to say we dey won to me na mom pen kabo me round table na mo ni nkomo na mo fa bibi antoto so because Kwame Iran no onyafo saa o
Iran nyafo
onyafu until say Iraq for mo ni Pakistan for mo ni na se for no
the America for the be
yes
it also boy
yes
that baby am say Iran for expert
yes
America for no say no mu ye omunyoma no mu si enti omu ya na no me say that time ni Iran for how man che the so mu o ma ship bibire o ma yi bibire afiri o ko be foforo e do mu toto ho no then your maka kra bi no ma say adobu obabi wa day in day out omu ye missiles day in day out kofo no huruye
na omo ye smart say says ebia USA for a year to say Sompa hanom kakra ka obehu say security base and na so for e visible no Kwame Iran there no ye nya ne so say Sompa hanom underground just say
Sompa FM
e shasase na se ne o ma building ni nyina hyem nti wo hu ba bia ne ma na ye de ehyehe
message squad na bo mu
papa
but say no credit e ba ko pe say fly missiles from country to country US for man didn't say they use bases to attack you easily. And Iran for no omi ekofo a to me more outright but Kwame be proud.
Yes. Obo baby e be count.
Yes, about one it will not be easy for Iran say Iran bebu Israel. Bebu US. No. No credit back but Iran for ebe the US damn pa kesia pa omo abo say yes. Ara US for the nkofo bi omu ko a omo pese ye bedi omu damu omo pese omu ko clean to kwado ma be wie no omu ko sa ye wie wakọ na Iran for nya sa ube wie yakọ ni bia Iran enya country abetima work you over them
David omo de omo nkonya yo
David
o ba ye really so ba
ka nkofo omu ko attack omu wie no omu ko ba wo de David so wa ba attack you say base ubase now the kun your president you base no when we get the base we also set the base on fire that is what is going on and I think say your my interest the interest the woman say oh you know baby
ebe kai
ebe kai am na mo asunum yenu ba be ko tokwana yen insensan so ya ba be nyawo amane
Sompa FM
because they say that predictions are free even the central bank BOG ba ne ma miem shame.
Oh yes. Now no pay crowd so who a fuel prices no.
Yeah
ba beto.
Yeah send the right kind.
They say diesel no ba bia pija kwa
send right kind say percentage that. But now most a outlets no. Now omunya nsesan we no. On say you take the technicians to come around.
Yeah.
And you know matum in advance but now ka so we call around that change baby.
Kwame mamemfa we infam enra menim se wote former national chairman de my NPP Freddie Blee
anope kra se maka
ba say remande no but anope mate say ya transfer no de no call ya can say medical facility for urgent attention
so onra no
yes
okay obi here ya me pese me but enra information he gather ye cable intercepting which say in fact it was bad on say age you know I say politician minim at the control. One real beka say boapaye, but Kwame ebi o hoduma no more health in here.
Oh yes, because Freddie Blee say baby what drink there.
Looking at his age. And Kwame minim say of late. Why share ora Freddie Blee in the picture? Age no, any health no. Enti enra no. Me chese ye chire mu anase say ade bi kokane ho.
Yes.
Nyame nkwan ke bitima.
Nke bitumi akọ.
Yeah, trick bi.
But minim oil lawyer nso o. Na nsem no wutie me bo nsem no wutie kwan e fa so a kwan e fa so a ye be remande no. Ye di injunction ato asase so. Kwame eda so o kofa grader se odi jiri asase no so sa age die se ehwafu se mo abone bi ba betenam no mo ba be anya wa dwuma.
Kwame ntia contempt.
Contempt na achi no because ye the injunction ato so high court na dey ato so now what for ho ba be
and remember why am atiefo hu say nye bibia na ya na politics
dabi we has nothing to do with the NPP in this dabi we dem fa ho kra mo bia mfa nye politics dabi we ya asase a woni obi hu nsensem sorry na ye de injunction dey ato so na say oso wo kwa kofa caterpillar kwa kujira enko so wo se me kwa kujiri so kujiri so agede kana mra no obi eni ho a oso che no
ma me de obi fa wa Japan
Sompa FM
ya de but onfie no to obi a wasomdwe nso hia ho
yes
enti court se nkwa amenko we na na say nyoma na nya se nyame nko ana
na KMPP wa ba mu de Akye Abia yenim se contempt nke ntumi nche wo sa.
And I say court contempt dey bet you.
Oh, Kwame.
Na bia remand na bia onko. E bet you wan ka na.
E bet you ba kwa be fa so ye na nti na me ka no. Na me kwa be fa so massage ne ma no de ye wo. Interpretation of the yes.
The law is the law.
Yeah, the law is the law, but it's been it is always interpreted by Nipa.
That's law no lies.
Yeah, interpreting so yes.
The law lies in the bosom of the court.
Absolutely, but the paper change the interpretation of it sometimes to me a parochial and bias to me.
I know your anger
to me, yes.
But the anger of the court is supreme.
Yes. Yeah, and you know.
And Tina,
but say nipa ne betiri mu akere court na to na kuma mu
that is why the system of the court, from the magistrate court rise ba circuit ko hin kwa na fe wo even appeals or high court or appeals court or the supreme no crowd me say challenge am ye di nipa ba ko be kan you know why sometimes I don't want people to see say judicial system na say
David said it
so I don't want
to men kan sakrada
enye dia wo kan dia me can say I don't want people to behave say as a judicial system there's no faith in it because at the day Kwame Timamfo Beka say there's no faith in the judicial system a very dangerous for all of us.
Yes. That's
a very dangerous for all of us.
That's so true.
And no na me person very visit to say maybe a call judges be yaka there because of some of these things. So I don't want us to revisit past because the only hope now that we have now, why politicians were so disappointing. The only hope we have now, even the security system look right, a total beer a bit more disappointing. Judicial service a bit more disappointing. But the only hope we have is the judicial system.
Oh sure.
Until no break samaba.
I know the samaba. Kwame, Shadrach. Former regional youth employment director, Bono region. Also, chair no pay now.
Very fine gentleman.
Also, chair no pay. Yes. So yes, smart to say. Yes, smart to say.
I am for him.
Yes. Oh yes, smart to say. Also, we unity for a regional youth organizer.
Oh okay.
Yes.
So I had deputy da.
Yes.
I had deputy.
And the last time no so be contested and amfa.
But why deputy?
Why deputy? Yes. Why deputy?
Sompa FM.
Okay. Adwuma na nkasa wote.
Okay.
Ti adwuma na say you for adwuma no so de onim yo.
Say ono kwa na atweniti.
For now, all na matters where you atweniti. Yeah, Oba Bono region.
I see. Anopa manachi.
Yes, channel.
All right. Kwame samne doso anopa yan fa na wo hwe.
Openi ma me ndase anopa yi na fi yenchia ya tiefo ahwefo se wo kasamfo nyine ni wo kasa fidie eda Sompa TV Sompa FM on Facebook Sompa 93.1 live YouTube Sompa TV and afi so oba satellite no so a Sompa TV wo so ye chia mo do ma se pa se adechie bia mo de kasa fidie no eto ha yani so pa na Kwame ma menya kweko a we special good morning and koma me am a colleague pa sanso ye madam for your friend Kaneshi or Kwame Danso Kaneshi Kwame Danso wa unity say opeso oba be ye constituency chairman edma NPP or ye babunu pa brantie adwuma no so betumi aye because mabunu no so de say wo mo ani so adi hono no so they have a lot to give to the people ebraso say ye mabunu so kwan na fe etu anamo na yetumi boa for national development. Kwame mame shasem from free a year the recruitment number, the president of the republic, and Wama directions say from the 20,000 security agencies hold on be foul mono or two at the 40,000 for 4 years a day anymore. Kwame, just like you were saying, let's commend the president for that work. Why are they? Because mabunu do na yema mu ha wo mu ne adwuma ya wo motifi. However, wo hwe your security ratio no ya was ye nya wo Ghana ha international standard no. Kwame yentumi nru ye. ye tumi nru ye enti se ye hyase increase no epigana by this time ebetumi aboa na afei nso ye security system no nso atumi agina ne nan so e ye memu because see say asem si say krim na ye kase ye suma posifo no mo ba nipa bi abaye 100 na ye suma posifo an we posifo mba be duru hadom no na akiri hodom no mo meka ho nso ahwe hodom no na ba be ye kuma bi Ebasa nso a sa chiri ho bibi kitu abi nso kosi a asembesi ndi se enya security a ombetumi amane security ombetumi aboye ho ban security a ombetumi aboa na asumdwe a yepe ewo man mu ha parpar ye wo se koso wo man mu atumi akoso a it's a step in the right direction say sa security ne betumi anya however nso ya introduce 24-hour economy nso no eno nso ebaba be in a sense say 24-hour economy no betumi agina ne nanso because there be make say we will need security a agina ne nanso security a woma ye ready to serve and sana 24-hour economy atumi akoso na tumi aye adwuma because anaju ye adwuma no wontumi nka se police ni a wakwa nopa no wapo awia no ono ansa ma meto so anwumre be 8 more sa mo na de nchi da bi awose etumi nya shift a be koso se we aba wapo a wokọ no okwa akọje na home na we nso de energy foforo nso eba nti we be je na home awie no no regain ne energy bi no san de ba na ye de bo ban sa na fe ya pe wo nso o meye patrol because na jujuma no na wokopie mu osunyane a 24-hour no stores ahodo bi era ne bi wudru Rex in particular because a nano Sunday be 4:30 I'm sorry say me call work udru Rex are now a month for a year juma pharmacies ahodo stores ahodo wo mo ye tea wo mo ye ton watch na so for na big daso wo kwan so a wo mo ye juma so me rush up back na me ka say hey about 24 hours and I say ane I'm so wow so we need this security personnel say wo mo be visible our your societies near communities nimu na ebe put some fear in this bad natter ombe your imagine say they are taking advantage say hey we dey omponte we dey anajo kro bi eni ho nipa bi eni bebi enti no ma me mfa ho na fe me nko di ne bone me nko di ne sika na me nko bolo kro no when they see the presence of the police ne security na ebetumi apushi omo away kakra ebema omo a second thought to say hey if you try it the security personnel are present in the night just as they are in daylight di ebe pushi empenifo ne sa bad night for yi amoma ko machi no mantumi ani sa juma hodo ya ekoso tell medika ka yenso ebe reduce unemployment kakra ewo ye memo ha but me issue back kwa me won se Kwame say if after allocation of a budget say we any sika betumi dia ahwe security na asefo na a president to me calling for emergency meeting now otumu from 20,000 they call 40,000 then I am begging on the president this morning. It's a plea I am putting before the president this morning. Say we equally have features and nurses. Woman should be to me about 24-hour economy. Not said a person economy generally nice. We need nurses and najo. Say ubi ekofamu yale because say udi juma because say otona de because say when who say Ghana ye economy no running 24 hours into or sorry ahomache ko di dwuma bi na biribisi na ye tam no de no ko pie mu or hospital clinic anase ayarsa bia baby a obenya health personnel mbe attend to or no nane hawa at that time no odi akono yatumi ahwe no Satam no kopie mu ho a enkonko yese nurse ni ho bed ni ho ye nyu obi ma ne hwe no doctor tukwan doctor ni ho doctor will leave we ye say no afin so e ka odede nurse fo ni bia wa form so no already one claim fan feel because just like you are doing for security sector just like you could call for emergency now afin so what the clearance about a number one increasing number no you can equally do for the health sector. The same thing for teachers. teacher for be 2-3 batches and o mo wie school o mo tifie okuta certificate e kire se wo ko school ya oba be kire Ghana mabunu Ghana mofra ade no manya dachi papa dia maye because Kwame I learned over 30,000 classrooms and wo ye mamu hanom a teacher for new enim and kwadano go pie mo classroom who is going to teach them, who is going to give them the fundamentals, the foundation, the basics, who is going to prepare womo mindset no na womo de nyini ahunu say this is my country Ghana, this is what it stands for. Na nkonye say akoda ni ebe nyina duru ba bia wie no afei no de ahopepre e ba be pe biribi asua ate biribi ase. We have to prepare our keys from the grounds. We have to make sure say the fundamentals, the foundations, the basics na ye de ma ye nkoda no solid. Say solid needs na ne nan so a ni nyina ya aseda ye de be ma teacher ni because we prepare akwada na makwada na hunu niema the do's and the don'ts e be ma akwada na be ye patriotic. Prime example has to do with USA and kwadai no enyini no omo de o mining ho nsem ne o mining tete e de show mo di wura omumu, but this in this our country same is not happening because the motivation of teachers no e wo fam. It is because a teacher for no kura enwinwi ansana wakwa kura classroom. It is because kura say a teacher for kura said that new and no so ya umbenya daje ama ye mofre yi achiro omade. Exactly. It is because a teacher for ye to me di omuka ni ntua obo. So president a special plea na no pay made a just like you are able to do for the security personnel. Her teacher for no so e bi kura wa for mo 14 months when you your muka wa for mo omunya clearance wa for mo omunya wo mo pin ni o mu code ahodo a o medi bedi djuma wa for mo wo maketua akamu a ene wo mo ye demonstration a GS a me se de hu o mo so mfa so e de krata ba bonten e question o mo e query o mo na wo mo essence restrict o mo from the right that our constitution provides them. Say if you have grievances and whatsoever, hit the street, demonstrate. GS deter omo from doing that because ono GS nankasa no okon e woso okon edema teacher for na ohwe omo so no onko saa kon no omo GS for nankasa no politics akatakata omo ani, so they don't know what they are doing now. Ti mampani mesraw a teacher for no so no for wani ko ho we bia wie school titifie eno na koso ama be hu se enya yes Kwame straight no din ho ko garam be hu se straight no ko pa adwuma obe ya be ma sika ba fie obe ya den so obe ya den because won to me ntina fie se o maame ni o papa hwe na ma na nyini a ko school awie ya ba bia wadru na wasen ka no so ye nya no so mfaso no still o say the different o maame ayewa mu o maame dad say mu still I was that suji sika free o maame ho me wan so wanyini ba bia wadru no so Kwame wakoka hwe ane den so ane den so no our responsibility bi so I was to take care of ya twena emma no obetena se adwene anti o ene ma me nkowura ha say papo say nye papo say bonio say tisin ma me fa metin ko fa na me pesika na me ntumi fan settle ne ma ba ko mienu bi. It is because unemployment no dosentino it is encouraging the youth to find a path acceptable in this country. It is encouraging the youth and they say you're finding ways and means to get money.
Yeah.
You're finding ways and means to have ourselves.
Yeah.
Either crosses and it's okay after all this life that could be mewu. And so they don't live the life fully. They don't enjoy the life. Say they can say yeah na nanu mo mutwe mu no Kwame wo mutumi live the life fully no they omunya sa because when we say ne okofane when we say ne say ono so anya no ho anne no ho anya yi a yebebu ni so ye kokohwe akwa yebebu ni so o chese ompebre yebebu ni so onya nipa yebebu ni say ye free meeting kra ye di nkoma man nka bi because kapre enen so ye system na kwa ye say kakra wo ho kakra hye wo ho kakra wo botom a ene e kasa na wo nso ka bi a emu odu anampo ye be invite wo but say kakra new botom a pa say ye be hu sa adwen wo wutiri mu de ente sa yempene And so I may say president or extended sir emergency now or the man security sector wa increase your number no on fan call nurse for her on fan call teacher for her if be a years go Kwame Sunyane baby na mete Yavena Agnes Kwame beye 4 years ni nurse ni onye adwuma nye.
That's bad.
Kwame wakoye nania na duru baby na fe wajai. Oh. Because emun sensem ni mu enema time no chese on to me anyina no na wo so wajai. Kwame ehensem pi and saa nipa yi say you know obehu say sebi obekwa akoduru ba bi Kwame abrante bi enu kwan so kra senka ofi no ana otumi gina na nim kra ne kasa no obehu say na
beka to asa Kwame kom nipa ye ni maboni no
obehu say na Kwame
kom no kom nipa ye ni maboni
Kwame hwe obehu say na odini tie kwa akoshim ade yi wampe bare nam say pocket ni nye na niema nsiye na ono nso oya abaya oya abrante e wo so onu su tu na mo bia ye kakra nti no no de nitia kwa kuwura ba bi mu no de nitia kwa lock mu Kwame oje ne ho a enye obehu no obi detect the man no obi di sebi nsem hunu de kire no but hold your be adan ade a kire hwe ya mensan koma no nti no let me compromise no timi say obehu say hu ni bi nso Kwame eno na mass pressure yi anopa yi na o ka ho asem high blood pressure na de akoba ibi a obehu say na akoma ya de ibi a obehu say na de eni o concept to babunu at that very age yade a say eni o concept to no na say ba no so na ba no so ni nyina ni say pressure hodo e da no so no ontumi nkonteni pressure hodo e da no so no ontumi adjust no ho na on live with that pressure no pressure da no so no eso che no I think we have to do a nearby big creative jobs bakumienu ediama emmabuno no. However, Kwame nya ban kwa na big creative abano should make the system so fertile at the more private sectors so say o betumi employer manfo e bi ne say Kwame and the fuel ya be you know me say levies ne taxes ne da so na ban so betumi yi bi afiri so a onyim free so yes Kwame nya kosoro pe the next quarter easy for the increment beba water for the increment beba and near my year to we krum ahodo ba kumienu no eno so be kosoro e kosoro so a e di asem foforo e na eba enti yesere aban he should do something about it. He should begin to take steps e be encourage the private sectors no na private sectors no so atumi bie o machine obi o machine mo nso a employment no na e ba be doso employment no doso nso a aban wo how na so ye den eti eso tin so a na wo to me take decisions e ye niam nso e be boa o man no ti we dey Mr. President anopai e a chopa na mesra mo US ne Iran ntokwa ne mfa mo ntima mo nteki any stance bia said dey Kwame wo ka no pay ma mo mfa mo hu nkodim mo de mo nyete se atamils why Kwame me das woni o mu fiase Kwame das
woni o mu fiase obia ayi ahwedie ni fie
once na ni fie nti ko fa ahwedie bia nko frɛ once na bia me gu fie was once na be fie Kwame would dia Jesus senkwa
ani asem no
eno ni asem no
na wo US for jabe to ade o senator baako Jeff waka say dia Trump wo ye on kra no wa che say they say dia Trump wo ye no ma US for no emranche ni bi akwakọ wu wasan ama Iran for enya position bi say as omo ho odin bi ana 3 wama Russia for cash out because edru
China
yes the titisa Russia de omo dwa edru baby na Russia be powerful na eyehu edru baby omo de sanction to omo so na countries intimi trade with omo especially with oil say yempo Russia na was ye de ani to
yes
akopa oil ni biba
yes
Kwame say sanctions no way ye free way there na eba
idea na
yes Russia na cash out
idea na aka bi
etu ama Russia for enya ho bro nya ho we
Russia is what was when you money air for supremacy. Almost na
Russia for say omu say America for fear ne say Russia for ye biam mu a ade e beto ayi for no enya asem papa what you say
say wiase mo ha o man ba ko use suru mo pa say o menye tumi Russia because Russia for no omo ye killers too much omo ho den ankasa Kwame omo ho den ankasa
Arapa Railway Ghana Railway Development Authority
Sompa FM
asebo ho ya me pa amuntie ni ye pa Ghana Railway Development Authority say ya kan chew say from 7th of April
next month
bosumi aye ba besimi April did that also and so sada ne hye ne so say obi bia owo lease our railway Ashanti region one property bia and obi bia Ghana Railway Authority Ashanti region ama wo lease bia be so tie nie pa ne hye ne so sadi pa no omomodia by the month of 7th April akwapem December 7th April yama lease na ye dia ma no December 2023 a mesra obomodia ne fabra de go under review tieniye emeka se na railway fu anya we omanya abotre chirechim ana mante hwe yes enti wa Ashanti region railway lease wo ho in Ashanti region granted official by the Ghana Railway Company Limited GRCC and I said the GRDA from a bar bepisim 2023 Mr. Ofa bra na enko review enti from time ya de ma wa bepim December 2023 de o ka ho bi fabra enti January 2024 for 2025 ndi o mun kan but eba be end December 2023 no fabra we go at the review ai enti Mr. so o lease ya de ma Ghana Railway GRCL and GRDA edema wa yesra wa you are required say odi lease ni beba na ya ye review na wa we lease holder bia so you two for say bra Ghana Railway Development Authority for office bra Ghana Railway Development Authority was Sokoban ahinsan 607 David Water Limited campsite Kasi Kumasi every 7th of December 2026 braho na oba emfa unsa pan ma oba o the lease document ni nyina eba Ghana Railway railway lease bia wo bia afa document na ebra sika wutua ya ye ka say payment na agi hu receipt no fabra
Sompa FM
for Ghana card and our voters ID card ka ho bra
Ghana card
ai and as a relevant document bia wo nse betimi aboaw na lease no ejina mu ye no oba fa no so bra ema renfi ti samre wo ho opportunity so obeboaboa ho to 7th April yes fagu baby bo de prefer be faship every 7th April odeba from 7th April odeba Ghana Railway Development Authority for na ye review one fa man e di ye we di aye mesrew it's all documents and menkrata enie mediaba ye se fa o receipt bra o document of lease enie o voters ID and Ghana card other relevant document o the account enti won so a e bia oti railway property m say asase say bungalow say warehouse any de keka ho one ni sa sama me ni wudi wani nkomo yi so no na Kwame wafu ye na nyame amfa kwam na directives one comply police ni e cancel no outright Aye. Now over forfeit or right to be to use of occupancy of the railway property.
Okay.
So this morning, most of them, if you know, say Ghana Railway Development Authority and now Ghana Railway Company Limited, you lease any property for you, whether it's a bungalow, whether it's land, or any property belonging to the Ghana Railway Development Authority or Ghana Railway Company Limited, you are supposed to submit your document, your relevant document, from the 7th of April to the Ghana Railway Development Authority office, Sokoban. You have to submit those documents, and when you are coming, you have to come with the lease documents, and you have to come with your payment receipt. Then you have to come with your Ghana card or voter's ID or any relevant document by 7th of April, so that there's going to be a review. So if you don't bring your documents or you don't comply to this announcement, then you forfeit your lease.
Yeah, you're right.
It's going to be cancelled.
Straight.
You forfeit your lease and it's going to be cancelled.
Straight.
So let's take attention. Let's make a good attention and then comply to this announcement. Say bia a hokra na oni hu a wo de friend numbers ya na pinchire mu bia antiase a 0245 87
Sompa FM
41 83 0245 87 41 83. And I say, obet my friend 0249 61 43 81. Ebi audio pet telecell 050 54 50 918 050 54 50 918. Eti Mr. Shannon, so a free April 7th 2026 ya next month ya baby simno lease bia Mr. ya de amawa up to December 2023 submit esa one comply dia one forfeit a year all right enso ho Mr. Shannon so pa emame anti mo amwo Kumase tech ejoso asokwa asafo mo nyina mo ntie nie na mo Shannon so Alapa me dia asem denam unemployment aye kan wasema alapa kwa me chese emfa bin extend ko nurse ni teacher training unemployment may extend bi free Sompa ma ye twa bi so fa number is 0245 215 862 0245 215 862 ba mantina fie where your factory company job na about factory work na about amount and I have 054 20 32 977 054 20 32 977 me so adwuma no aye kan wasem epe bema na bema no emfa wo se wako school ana unko school factory work obeba elfade Mamponting, Fadi, Mamponting, for numbers in our senior Jumaye Anopay. Now, ento. Ibrahim, and so Abakama, what do time so papa? Sciatica expert, so the as usual, if he dada a titi bremu, it is Bremu Clement. Vessel Bamadia Anopay, 21st clinic, the sciatica expert, Yadia be out 21st, sir. Now the question me wom say abasiatica dia ye ne expert. Enti bomodia wo sisi achi atwenwa beka won ntia. Wa hwe aya de kase na eba. Bomodia na ebra 21st clinic ye nsia no kwankran ma wo. Beso 21st clinic wo Kumase. Ye wo boase ye won kran ye wo sunya ye won kran ye wo techiman. Mo over 15 branches in Ghana. Offer numbers here baby be oni amwako. 0249311311 0249311311 0540311311 na ebra 21st clinic wo drew on ma your laboratory service scan service ayema mpie nko baby na massage wo on ma ye massage eno ye mo amoba for treatment nti wo de so ho na e oda na apɛ massage we ye physio massage oba ye be ya ma ho ato kama pa anopa efre 21st na ohunto Roman father na drono Roman father na drone anopa Father Martin Saba Mixture ono na dia ba Roman father na drono sa wona bia otiti stroke na achew ohonam etutu usisi anasa o ho body na yemre misal pressure ana diabetes ana how ya dia be na aye kwa nkro down so Roman father na drone na abobo amanako anopa the best medicine for all sickness misal fra 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 and 0552 668517 0552 668517 na also pay break na obubo bia na wato drugstore ne pharmacy and herbal shop bia obeya Roman father no edro ni bi ato Polytank super sumo tank edini POLYTANK sumo super tank okọ baby aton Polytanka also per Polytank sumo super tank na so pafo so mama discount 10% who save over 1,000 Ghana cedis now so dia ye adwuma we ope we na pedai be so hwe ye pa na obi amfa so Korea na wa chenchera ala pa bomadia na ko Polytank super sumo ni bi now so fa di wadwuma be so ko ebre ya discount you na ko gibi fofofo now so fa ye wadwuma arapa ye betu kwan obetu kwan bia uko school na ebi so akwa akọpa adwuma na aya arapa ye express group ana make am for the amount express group say brey na akwantu ohun hihye nyina ya mo ya sister na nwoma nkoye scholarship na ope wa amono ne ara say okoto ana oko holidays edwumaku a mo pese mutu kwan mo ba express group a say de munim ye free tete no ye boa ama ho ato Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Krobe na pese okoso yen so na ye register ye international exams ni tuition so ye se bia sa GRE GMAT TOEFL ene de keka ho Kumasi wa Asafo Labor Roundabout and cry wa Kaneshi First Light Tema Community 18 Lashibi Golf Filling Station ye ne Lashibi Funeral Homes na eben so so na East Legon Mumra Trinity Theological Seminar takra de for ase for de che market circle ye ne hot and store fast food no ana edian mhwe so nya form ko Silver House court dine ho ye ne court dine ben so Tamale Mumra Tamale Teaching Hospital baby ani for yanko the court o de 0249 000448 0 nyamiansa 0249 000448 na also anopai break na ye assist you and so ewo home anopai kingdom eba center kofa buy oro the kofa buy ya kingdom garlic capsules and bitters eno de ya ma obi bia fi say building immune system na mnesi susuye say stress ana how ana anxiety arthritis numbness hypertension stroke akomayade ana how akoma bo periperi cholesterol eba be kumeshaw but kingdom garlic capsules and any bitters so na kingdom ginseng power capsules ya mema so why we compare waste na ya mental stress and I say one kasa unya extra energy see usimes one ana yesi e wo form e extra power ka ho kingdom ginseng power capsules e ma mema tremendous capsules so no pay almighty e man di nwa dance ye pa and no disorders be a bad odor any menstrual disorder nyina correct no onya infection wo akosua kumanim esiesie ho ama ho aye kama 0597298855 0597298855 and 0559761144 kingdom abusua ene kingdom enu papa me so opedodo to ayewo kingdom herbal center occasion drug lane oba obehuya pharmacy shop ne drugstore bia herbal shop bia obenyan anapa RSYD Novigi Studios ana etwa of film ope movie na aye dana sa ade bia de cameras no oba RSYD Novigi Studio Malam Abiase Accra Malam Abiase won kran off first Kokoko Street na de dance of ya Baby I will be an ye Ghana for na ya beba hodom na ya ba beboa na nneoma etimi akoye. So we streaming. So Facebook podcast ahudue nyina. Ye buy your mouthpieces, cameras I need that ho. So as near what state of the art facilities. Your studio papa bi our video sitting in our betima ba be no ho. Your professionals almost so videographers, any photographers or more assist you create something together. 057-471-5778 057-471-5778 and at 030-397-4822 030-397-4822. Tago eba Mr. and the capsules. Tago nye obone Mr. na obone capsules no. Ero erectile misfunction. Oya be man said da form team and your friend impotency. Boa amawasa be ma bi ma gina wona so. Low libido ema no ene mema unya tinka. Mesra unya tago heba Mr. we tiawa and the capsules. Infections ahodo tago heba Mr. and the capsules. Drugstore and pharmacy shops will be nyabi. 0243228296 0243228296. Na no pay emwa endi wa kegyina mu na nneoma nyina enso so enkoso ema fine na bibia enye settlement abewafo atena say arapa message ne fa 0509438500 0509438500 anopay fafa ho ne enye Facebook no I have Sompa 93.1 anopay also the fawa. Yeah, live or TV so live or 93.1 megahertz. I don't pay your Ginny na Ade Akye Abia at say I don't pay na I don't pay of a clear Jinamu and so Ade the new Patriotic Party NPP. I don't pay what sounds na era Ali Ibrahim National Communication Team member. I don't pay or Jinamu the National Democratic Congress. NDC also arapa yenin komo exactly like John Dramani Mama the communicator but there no can small can say ohwe nipa abanye na adwen so obefa through the Ministry of Interior. In fact by Ghana for akasapa they say Mama say or the direction abasi expand security service recruitment into 40,000 yes additional emka home na 5,000 in the iswa. You recruit to be now because any per 40,000 a buy, any per 50,000 a buy. Yeah, I think Mrante a member where you coffee. They soon president say yentremu yemfemi kan. Middle East tension threaten Ghana's disinflation progress. BOG other days semi ba say and the central bank say and yeah na single digita yeah enjoy assembly timamba home. Government rolling out policies to tackle youth unemployment. Of a cloud of matching.
And I'm going to be sir. I promote them papa. We just also promote ye.
Abadi adume pa.
And a pair no mama
Sompa FM.
Full constitution. I'm in charge. I'm a member of parliament. Honorable Michael Akwesi Edu. I'm a chair party in Penifoni na. Na me din check say so ma mesumi nua ma beto no Ali Ibrahim me da meta kan Ibrahim bro flies no enti Ibrahim me ya kan Ibrahim me bro flies ni kakra Ibrahim o say me mesumi ya Abraham so enti no Ibrahim enti no me Muslim no translation ni Ibrahim no na masre na a public interest and safety issue
na mo constituency wo gina mu ana
na Nkwantabisa me fasa kwanya yiso na
fasa akwanye okoye yase pa yase
o na Nkwantabisa we dem wasam Ibrahim wa haba ya ma me to adedi but di kan declare me constituency am go so the den na so ma menyina fidikasi yiso na me enka se nyame ya dom na se MPP amanyoko ni bie nomination to her officially for constituency executive elections now Nana Nkwantabisa unua mejina mu for Ofurikum constituency youth organizer.
Okay.
Na yeso de nim de ne ya hoden ne Nyankopon de adue mu no aba beboa party na me yasa back to power. Na yegusu a yedidi nkomo no e wo constituency ne mu de. Back to the public interest matter, so national security matter. Nana Nkwantabisa last week mu ho ba video bi pia bontia na Ghana yam foreign affairs minister our so yemi krom ni honorable Okudato Ablakwa ekotena abrochimemu eko adwumadie kese bi so wo Chatham House a ne nkomodie okokodie wo honom no ekopie wo mu se wode a very very sensitive issue bi ekotu dwa na very 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 serious na I believe say in some of the very, very unfortunate. They were reckless comments, and I believe, say, Kwame say very stupid because for a diplomat, a first diplomat of the nation, our foreign affairs minister, na okoka is national security matter, and ya Ghana
Sompa
ya amonone, say, and now no December be a term na ISIS na yenu yam big brothers Nigeria na ISIS for na no beka say US aban ene Ghana aban ekabomu ema bomb na say attack akodia ye to the call ISIS for so Nigeria no Ghana ye ni US for kabomu sadie no. It is so reckless a comment you will make your son say sa enkofuko we mu a omo ye terrorist no say omo de oto o might be to the radar so a very very serious matter I no enye MPP ni NDC sem enti ube ka na no ya Burkina sa terrorist ye nua mo ma omo kokodi dwa omo kofa eniema ye ku wo mu sabi Ghana ye no Burkina for ye no mo ni issue bia o na so terrorist eku Ghana fo a enompo no yeguso a ye hwehwemu apese ye hu die pe ne ba wo mutrim mpo a e ma Ghana fo a omkofo omo niama omutimi koku omo sa enti ye be stress those comments we should call them out na ye hu say those national security
Ibrahim man pe ma che and you make fine where you now so green there me answer good
Mame mbo abaso no kwasem ma wo bo ewo asantemam nya simpetwa
kakra
ye mo bi etio pa do yente komasi ha ho na etio na wo a lot of support nya do for pa wo mo monitor program yi eyi si me encourage you say wo be koso na wo bo
so boy adwuma ya follow from afar o boy adwuma pa
say de ese na efata na menua manya wa fi de kesi eso de mami country Ghana fo nyina titro ni NDC
okay Barbara ma omunyam say etiefo no say omunte Yero Ibrahim voice ni ye ahanti that is fine bon kanche okay aso green there
so
okay that's fine
all right enti say the na America no mame fo afi de kesi so na main country NDC mabuno ni NDC fo nyina wo mo wo Chrome has say says Same lawyer Same Jemfi uhwe na dwumade a odi e wo Ghana Gold Board aso Ghana fo ani because ekame akoye say waboa age economy na agina so pabene an no my course de esefata ti epese woto aso sa se de ese kona nano nte no
Sompa FM
na ehu behia se ne position e kra no eye national communication officer position no yenye obi a nano awo ate a oye very intelligent a oye lawyer ni a ne sunu ne ban nyina etese onoa sameje fino no otime take over eno nti na NDC for dodo na almost 90% say the perfect replacement enye obia say lawyer Abbas Nuruddin ti mesre obi bia say obo mo ka bi eye nyina say wo mo fa omo ni monyam enta lawyer Abbas Nuruddin achi se de be ya wo betimi a replace Samenye Finyoma Pan wo die no watimi atwaso
na Sami so maybe
Sami Mabim and lawyer Abbas our confirm and last week na me won wo fe bi dey nkomo and so it's obvious say lawyer Abbas Nuruddin na se sia ye de no ye dey eba na ye do no eba nso no na ono so free regional communication de ho be hia se e benye obi a obe replace no ono nso no na ye twetwe ye ni bebi a ye say nipa ba ko pe no ye ni esene so which is Mahmoud Kabori.
So let's shut it down.
Oh, say Mahmoud Kaboria. I said, what?
I know Kabori.
Yes, very intelligent guy, individual. Just what Kasa, just say obey a dean for all constituency communicators in the Ashanti region. When it Abbas no redeem and also don't want to just say, oh, yeah, very intelligent. Mokika boom no. Ekamia go say about communication in Ashanti region. What chemwa NDC ko be 70%, MPP na be 30%. One more out MPP communication. Ekamia go say na me monitor. Say you know a do communication. I want to be some of my colleagues are more hacker. Say to the bia MPP for here topics na no more jan come say they are going to face the NDC you're more training. Abbas are training your mom on what to say or my well research. So young pure na young fan in national na bibia enye fine. Deputy no dear. Me nyan siege na ye wo ho. Aha ti me nka ho asem to see e. So our constituency. Aha. I don't know but I feel na me be siege na ye wo ho. But me say me see Nkran last week. Me see Kumasi Kejetia last week. In fact, man coffee direct. Many some of the market women editing combo bebre say nyoma e say. Na honestly, me ra ho ama MPP. Because you ka MPP a eno ani Kumasi Asanteman. But kamia ko say
Sompa
e kamia ko say wo ma bu complete. Eba MPP amanyoko na sebi MPP to say we MPP and not just Asanteman. You do not very frustrated say woman need this MPP betimi asa ba many times soon. So no. It's a say Ghana for nyina because we support President John Dramani Mahama. Na nhihye ya odi gu akwam adi ahoto aba no wo beto aso saa. Na menua no me wo metra ho akopem se 2092.
Okay. President Mahama said through Atufo Minister for Finance are buying layout policies. In the current state of unemployment from the Ghana Statistical Service, or more report on unemployment. I think we are still having an increment our unemployment audito scale niswa na graph no ekosra na ekosro. These are policies according to Minister for Finance are buying the bar a bit my cable unemployment rate ekoso. Ibrahim, that is your government. Unemployment is one of the messages mujina so a campaign for Ghanaians. The teacher 133 agenda 133 1 job 3 shift 3 people. One of the strategies are numbers of the unemployment free. Minister say policies are coming and also be more unemployment.
All right, better was say. Mama for fidikasies no menchia ahwefo ne atiefo a wo mo ehweti yen asantemam ha ne Ghana fa na nyina mesre wo mo so Sompa because mo programs not just say mo bia e kama ankrofo na G station ho pa menua wo hwe unemployment rates abra na MPP aban efri so na enenam 14.7% ana ekeka ko 15%. Yeba abemu one of our first priority ni nyina ne se nke yebehwe na se the economy no aban dada no eja ne ho no yebehwe atenetene nioma na ya put the economy on a path of progress ansa na yahwe nyoma ho asemaiden aka eno ntina last year 1 year 3 months in almost 3-4 months no obehwe all the economic indicators na ya reverse bibia ama je say okọ Ghana man bibia ye bo NDC abaso anywhere sia fa na nyina edrumre bi na ye ohwe exchange rate na now you 1 Ghana $1 na number 17 Ghana cedis. MPP efia bem na was soro pa because of prudent economic management. John Dramani Mahama baye no Daniel Manabe 10 Ghana cedis. So see I'm no say I'm sure say that so and 10 Ghana cedis. Ohwe inflation. There was a time na inflation it will chrome
FX there now 11
What say?
FX is around 11 points.
NA as of NA. Good. So yeah, to say 10 11 sana econo. You see, what your friend is say somewhere around unemployment rates.
Yeah.
Over the time na Akufo-Addo ba omi awa be mu a say the me can 14% and 13%. And so it means say even in Sheshaya Yanyamfantu or Kwamukrampo we to create opportunity for job creation krano. A Kamiako say a modern boy kakrana yabono abwa ama unemployment at Tiaba form, which is 13%. Since a siana yatutu nyoma nyina awie na bibie koso said ye say na efatano inflation edrumbe be na 54.1%. And now I know say from 54.1%, Eswatia say who to 3.3%. And so I mean again NJB. Bibi koso said ye ese na efata. Now Kamiako say one of the major challenge of this particular country employment opportunities, especially for the youth. MPP for the Ghana swa mo one want me anya nhehya esefata so me create nyuma ama mabno no anya biaye wo monyim o mo create ye no na yese cosmetic nkra ohwe napco chese minim butaya eda o mane so mo de timi ede napco bae because napco na mo create ye no yese na jese esikase ye kwa ohwe sikatwitwi di a ekomo nansian auditor general report what they buy is a sikatwitwi di a napco a fan crofo asede nya asem ketwa. At the end of the day, graduates you gram for mo kana muntimi twa mo ka 700 Ghana cedis. Those days graduates 700 Ghana cedis be na den so anu gram po mantimi ntwa. Encrofo e called demonstration ahodo e called demonstration called Jubilee House called Parliament. They also mo ye bia se o makatwi aka mo no wo mo ntwa no wo mo ntwa da. Kopim se Ghana for den pamo mo free abem. So who tie ba nyuma wo mantimi ankreti bi wo mo flagship program baako one district one factory wo mo share bo prior to the 2016 election see mo etumi a wo be create a lot of job through these factories eko wi ase no sika eko mu no wo mo tichedi auditor general reports na say baaye I mean as part of the 8.1 billion Ghana cedis no I mean eka ho ye hu investigation so who ti wo mamwaye the party New Patriotic Party one why and until ama unemployment rate no aye the boho so ocean crofo ya multiply 500,000 it means you to know to say omo chire omo to chire omo anya asem ketwa ti ekoba asa na America me agwese bebre na e ka se yanfo omo ni ade no na I mean as a listening president no wotimi etie mabno no and until na was say every year bia nkobefa 5,000 Nemum because of these concerns mebruno raising into no was say oyene 10,000 which means say every single year biano ye fa nipa 10,000. Now media mesre pa President John Dramani Mahama wotie mi a anaso bi ben na say oben no wotie mi a I mean Muntaka Miami constituency Muntaka I know be concrete me be akodi nkomo one on one now me na ka I mean ya did ye ho nkomo I mean I was 5,000 na wo mo de air ban nyina no wo mo de ma MPP NDC sympathizers woman farmer NDC sympathize because edrumre bia na ye recruitment e wo kromo ha yante ho publication One should that echo publish something small. Graphics more now but a rare recruitment near cost party headquarters.
Wow.
Yes, what per se you found the I was so show or party card. So you MPP, so you branch chairman, so you constituent secretary, so you youth organizer. What ba episode kobi. Na ya he ama ya de yafano. almost 90% of nkrofo MPP aban efa omo to a various securities no almost 90% nyina no omo ye MPP foot soldiers
environmental statistics be na
na menua ye nyina ye wokrom ha o me se ye nyina ye wokrom ha nim de ye kwaso you don't need statistics for this me say baby ana metie wo somewhere around Tesano efi ana metim minim branch executive ahodo obeyefo a wo emma na wo pa bia ye koye fa wo nyina the other ones are not wo nshada na any political party be and for they fail all of them. See someone to come and challenge me say they make an okre one more mutie hunu the ekwaso them say this is what I'm vigilante groups you know actually you dance band omo don't wanna you push into the military, you know, and then security services. And to say, yatimi ama MPP for bebre na ako security services no more na ene adru say yen crop for. I mean, I sem the na end this for bebre na bufu ye say. E come here so mo 5,000 crown body can fire no. Don't wanna MPP for because you say you research Ghana. Ti yebema bibia akofe ena MPP for no binim na ma chi no mo lobby
time no so do mo fire MPP for
yes that's me say do one MPP for and that's why the base
how you
listen I'm telling you I'm telling you
and you are not being fair to your party
yes we have not been fair and I would admit that in fact I am absolutely disappointed
because according to the current minister for
yes
this is recruitment without bias
well
and then ocean yame koda aptitude test aptitude test determine her according to him
well
ama NDC for bebre I disenfranchised
well I don't know what I know ne omo a minimum omo say omo MPP for omo to forms no do na na yefa omo so I say I don't just say be aptitude test no NDC for bebre na pass but my point is identical na was a aptitude test answer the fan for adwuma I mean MPP time baby sa course na
okay, so aptitude test has been there, but AI no no. I think that has been a problem because and social mutual they have been writing.
Well, but see, my point in United say 5,000 akano.
Yeah,
I still insist say woman prioritize NDC support it because a comedy che and profonia to me. They were just and this for baby 8 good years compare what do I hear not at the end of the day
I don't know time
what's that
you talked against such behavior
yes
the other time
oh now say your time didn't say and say be free abemono na ya rahosem crofo do why fa omo no na nya asem ketwa just knowing say what lose aba ka wo lusu ye no o se nka wo to obosa aba na wo ba no wo di nhehye eden begu akwema ho se financial clearance be bia eden akwem ansa na wo be recruitment bia waye na wo di ho hare so nkrofo a wo fa mo na nya asem ketwa eno nti na ye hold on na ye ka se be se ye investigation na investigation wie ye akire se omo ye se fata se ye hu so omo pass through due process ye fa omo adwuma ena wo mo a ye hu no se omanfa due process no ye so it was fair enough but that didn't happen when Akufo-Addo Dr. Bawumia was actually president of the Republic of Ghana. I will commend the president of the Republic of Ghana. Say what ye Ghana for nyina soon say ne padodo na na was den wofa wo mo adwumam. Na to force nhehye a odi ebegu akwan mu no, especially with respect to the 24-hour economic policy announcement parliament ajetim no and other programs are ye be roll out no. Ebe create nyuma no ama mebunu bebre na enya bia ye ama ye nyina ye hunu se enya security nko ena ye adwuma other areas for how you consider agriculture and other selected areas na betimi aboa ama enyuma akosom obi anya bia ye mahotaba
me that say so as at close of business yesterday not buying 10.864 so you are right
10 point
and
okay
then selling 10.87
okay
5 no pay in send central bank on the no pay normally 17th at the beba
see and say
17th in Yamai said the central bank
okay but as I'm talking at that 10
I
said them now
but the predictions are saying say
sure that's fine
possibilities are no pay dear no ebeko 11
And
but
Rusa,
eno
and
ye
Rusa,
the central
and
bank
Rusa.
ye bompa ye kra se beba fo boy nyina okay overclear unemployment
Nkwantabisa medase na
but to be fair to MPP Ibrahim in 2024 slightly unemployment reduced by form. So I think to be fair to MPP say
not figure near say
I think it reduced by 3.04% in 2024. Oh, yes, according to
I'm not
the
privy to
Bank.
that.
Okay,
I'm not
according to the
that.
World Bank.
I'm not privy. What I knew was 14.7 and not the
no, the reduction the
about 3 and I'm 14.4.
14 and it reduced from the 0.4 to 0.0.
But in just some few months I about 13%.
About 13, okay.
Until I hope say econo you betia manaba you betia manaba 8% crowns and a bemo. Oh yes, with policies here day back. I mean if you give me time I'll roll out some of the policies to you.
8%.
And I make some crofo it say mo me am the neighbor cry me di omo ho ya.
Say overclear.
What the neighbor so be dem
medase Bishop anokwasem say menua Ibrahim akasa 11 minutes 28 seconds. Na say 11 minutes no. Obo me kwa any time my allocation I'm just trying to make a point say out of the 11 minutes no. Okasa for MPP who be 8 minutes. And it tells you say NUMNDC for about employment assembly they have very few or little to see. You see, a man your summer there or banners will be bibia or heading the pakwaye no I say if nyansa bi wo mu a na wafa say bia nyansa wo bi but ebia no ma yesi bonyo bata brebo ho na bia bonyo bia ho no wayi aden afiro na watimi akoanim sa a sojafoɔ ne policefoɔ ne security service asema ye kan we are talking about a nipa over 506,000 and Nkwantabisa 500,000 people and Nkwantabisa so mo to form so mo bro sa o mo di kai first screening body selection awie
yeah
and it tells you say mo to form kra be bro bia be 700 or 800,000 so ya sonne so and ababedru 506,000 amako train so he sa nipa over 700,000 top will be at 220 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
What the multiplier and Nkwantabisa we are talking
250 or 220
sir because I'm make a lower figure. Okay. So we are talking about over 100 million Ghana cedis. Now, a nipa 506,000 amakokoto or ma qualified do sa stage or ma kotre AI in sohe. Ama minister say emu 105,000 and a pass and also ma qualify sa sohe no. It tells you say over 400,000 and timi qualify. Now, sa enipa 105,000 atimi qualify and sohe no minister say
220.
You bet me for mu 5,000. Etre say emu 100,000 and soon ain't mean come. But the funny aspect of it is say nipa 105,000 ma passing so we no. Yes so obi anko tuesika 1,600 and fanko ye medical bi. Na Nkwantabisa the best way you know NDC for say what dear sa omampani increment what you account was so monfanko 40,000 and yamana nya clear 40,000 year for omo term of office in fear 9 no mu 1 year den eko amaka in fear miensa no and omampani so monfa free 20,000 for the 4 years no now unto wo hwa na cafe bia ye 5,000 right sa 5,000 you say omampani so monfanko 10,000 Odi e best union NDC for senior menua Ibrahim kan. Odi o monfa nyina fa mo NDC for full soldiers. Ye no mo ya adwene. O mo so ye Ghana for. Menua mo ndi ho achi ne akura because sisi aye ka say ye nuanu mo NDC for mabulu e no mo de pressure su o mo ansa aban so for employment you. Menua ka say the NDC when you go to social media o mo tata o mo to offices nanu ye joso. Ejoso anu achi ye. Ejoso
national
health insurance omako kotum say omo nipa mo dey aba omo mpe na omo pa omo nipa enti wo dey yesre omo say security service omo be fa nipa 5,000 na 10,000 wo dey yesre omo mfa omo nkofo nkwa maye na de dey wo kwenu ma so ye dey entin fa maye na no be ka say ode ba ya obe ka say opeso o ma recruitment ni very clear ya objective eni ko say ya partisan bia no and then this for so ejagu no so say asema na wo ka no yamfu so just a campaign as all funny power so person funny clean and was our backtracking so and this is for 35,000 and the car or more qualify 105 no into a person just say muntaka enuma samne say Ghana for mabunu 105,000 pass AI so no and this is for 35,000 how he got to know crowd minimum maybe or data be a anymore. He is the minister, and I cannot dispute the data. No, actually, I was saying 35,000 out of the 105. No, actually, some 85, some 70, almost 80,000 be a MPP for any MPP for minimum power the about digitization and digital system now NDC for any MPP for control so here. NDC for no 35,000 na pass here and na 80,000 MPP for mo de almost pass that's MPP for no eba AI ne digitization mo ya de papa o ya sremo mo nua ne mo 35,000 according to Muntaka so mo na qualify for AI so he no ye be sremo to de mo fa mu 5,000 ne mayen na o mo de no so nye de enkofom ye be sre say security services are kan wasem no e very very sensitive se mo de sa kasa ya koso na yemfa yankofo a eno na ase de nketia mo chama na chama beka ase ya fa politifo ina 500,000 ho am de ba yakronfo che se ebi mu yakronfo me de be sere se ba bia ya du sisi ya no NDC for ensua de
NDC for ensua
omo ensua de because you see near all making reference to say ya ne ya fa ye MPP fu a yem publishing yem ton forms no it was wisdom na ye nyansa sa ye ne ye ntia want to say mabunu akobodom pem e was stadium bi ama Ghana for mabunu ensia hwe wo monkwa what were we doing ye ne say sisi ye nka enuanu mandis for nipa 500,000 out forms yi to force to esika go through the processes that 105,000 qualify no was system database ni mu and ye fa there be and ye afiwe ya fa emu 5,000 we still have 100,000 in our database qualify but because of say aban entimi fa obi anti ya fa emu 5,000 there and the sanko for no my sound stress wo mu bio afeda yes sir fa nipa bio a na nipa 100,000 mo qualify ye na mo nam say aban entimi for mu nyina anti no ya fa mu 5,000 no yes sama sankofo sankokoto forms bio enti the MPP aban fa ade nyansa to ho say ene sa 100,000 mo qualify mo database ni mo no afeda yes sir fa bio a let us just send messages to sankofo no. Sir, you should report because these are already qualified young people on what database no. Yasa afro me send them message no mo asa because these people does not need to go and buy form, pay another 1,600 for medicals again because they have gone through the process. And no, and then anyone this for say near the MPP for. And no mo ba mo say there no yet. And no more advertising first one a nipa over 700,000 people apply much for move 5,000 per after that do ya most as mo say fa another bio ama mabunu akobodom pem ama Ghana for mabunu sia mo de mo moja etwa so mo say system ani ye say
an accident you know
na Nkwantabisa dia na ye na Nkwantabisa intentional because na Nkwantabisa what the two process process ade ye ne say enipa o ma qualify o database ma yantimi anfa o mo no o mo ho just send message to them mo say no nya ya the fine people for So you go back to the old system and the passes why can na muku.
Then I say Ibrahim a quick one so yeah die enko. Yeah free employment kwa security above is I don't know. Okay.
But the American nyina say one more I mean we don't mudi a tree about this secret recruitment no during their time no yenim 2017 to 2024 recruitment course nyina no I mean one more apply ankasa no yomo na you consider one more because I know what I'm talking in and I know say you me onimicrophobia one more cramp and forms in their time you free or more so among oh they didn't even buy forms they didn't buy forms it was last year me say and
this time
and as forms no you free office one man akona wako fele no why baby a sharp training cramp on me say training cramp on the big cramp and we training say our security system is so weak to the extent say so must say bibia say dem say SSS no sa pepepe and no say yeah security architecture nti ya be reset no say our focus is to do everything possible to balance the security architecture because to do na MPP for yes so ye anything possible to send our own people there to balance na say you balance here na you about resetting after the yi amanyosem afim aye bibia fair that is what we are calling for and that is the reason why here full soldier bebre na NDC for no mbuafu because what money omo a ye fefa omo bebre na efie ba ko be ko na bia MPP ni NDC ni na ya fa MPP ni no enya oya campaign time na MPP ni di akire okoye campaign ni bi so ho afenyo ma ke ma nyina ase se wo mu opposition na wo mu wo no enso wo mu nkrofo na wo mu di wo mu ko se enfa omo afenyo ma ke na ba bo ncha beka so minim connection ekoso enu ti na mesre muntaka pa se ye nya ya adwen se efri aban mu ye ya adwen se etramoa kopim somewhere around 2072 mo baby ansa na ye bra ye di akonya yi amankrofo yi ti mesre wo mo ye campaign ebo homoden ma ye 2 MPP aban no mo disappoint you mo ye everything possible to satisfy our own people ye wie balance bibia then yaba reset so na yatimi ama bibia koso se de ese na efata ti mesre say ye ne sa
all right enko I think say tackle security and then unemployment yenhwe what the central bank is saying will impact Middle East Benya on this inflation also of a clear member
the edikan say Bank of Ghana Governor Dr. Siama and say the disinflation na ekoso sisia no near ekoso wo Iran and Israel and US in terms of inflation as akoso. That's basically what she's trying to say. Na no kre say near ekoso no ebema inflation as a attend the direction no. But Kwame Nkwantabisa yes there a tier that nyina sana that nyina a tier say we live in a global environment so that Ade Akye Abia ewo oman bi so oman bi kwan hye bi kra no timinya woto ba bi but timinya sunsun so eden ewo so sa asem way na 2022 every 2020 dey bani ye ka ho asem say wiasia mansan ade si ya eno de na ye wiase nyina covid ba ye e ba wiase ba bia ama na Nkwantabisa ehun sunsanso no ekokodu say freight shipping lines omo cost omo egie omo charges no e quadruple ye ema every 3,000 cost somewhere 12,000 and the same 40-foot container now before say the global effect be ban pandemic be ban na 3,000 no ekoko do 12,000 and emma global inflation cost emma America for inflation na 1% equal 40 years high of 4% emma no mu rubida we are for na nyina ekọ so me ka say ne ekọ so Ghana ha no so eya sa effect ni bia ye nyanu man this for say de me enka sa aya mismanagement aya bad governance and na ma ye hu sa inflation a ekoko du ba bi odu ye no now obi aka bi me nua Ibrahim o ka bi na ye be fa no say just talk kasa hunu. But when it get to people of high repute, high authority, like a former president, Omampani John Mahama, what the president da? Okay, sir, and maybe what catch there. Dr. Mahuba, me I say, on can to ni president, then to ni president did here. I just say, so what the Mampani da? Who experience our never be more a be our communicator be will minister be our own company than a be will need that experience no and to can asem be a bet man fanatra. But for a former president who knows the effect of global issues no on the world ebegina Kenya se e catch Ghana for chanto diakohwie e tell Ghana for say nia ekos wo Russia ni Ukraine ena MPP for ne biase nyina mpo e ka se anya nsunsuanso wo mo man so a Ghana ka ho bi no Omampani John Mahama na oyo Omampani dada wadi o man so da ese debi anya no kre na free Ghana eko Ukraine 7 hours and na me no kata free Ghana eko Iran 8 hours 23 minutes enti nia ekoso ewo Iran ene Israel ene American tem no eno hu sunsanso de efa ye inflation ho ben enu nti Bank of Ghana for starting ever be conscientize ya be manage expectations say enu nti inflation taba be kosoro na no
are they being realistic or
nemesis if that is realistic there why was that not realistic in 2022? So you see what bad politics can do and then they are caught in their own web and in someone or muka cancer no and will be and then yes we catch almost say if they're 7 hours away from Ghana not say Russia Ukraine war any since I saw Ghana as well they have no business they should shut up from telling us say and then 8 hours from Ghana and no better say inflation e be say the akosro me dey call we ye no ye best Omampani John Mahama say sanchechiremu we any NDC communicators be new Ibrahim ni nko for say sanchechiremu we about Iran ne America ne Israel no hu hia de hu hia sisi ane say omomra bonten America se Ghana for ye pamachaw ne ye kamre bi no ne ya kohwisam ne ye ntro and ye digital more na na no quest at time no that explains everything na sa explain everything no
Ibrahim
a quick correction I think say US inflation moving from 1% to 4% you know it wasn't as a result of the Russian-Ukraine war.
No, I'm talking about COVID. I said about
you said COVID.
Yes.
But we are talking about war and you are talking about disease.
we are talking
No,
about
listen.
global issues.
Global what?
And then Iran
COVID. Yeah, COVID. Yes, sika do do a edema MPP aban 8 kaketwa.
Yes,
Yes, we admit the effects.
So why did you admit then?
Can you control your guest?
Why don't you admit it then?
I admit the, you know,
quarantine yourself.
I admit the impact. But of course, COVID, MIA Sika, to say, young who be that, well, my Ghana, Brian Akufo, Dr. Bawumia, president. So, Sasikano, what they bet in here? Actually, the Korea say, no more to chairman party for any ADA. One of them came out to announce amounts are onyaye as a parliamentary candidate. A BDC for MCE. One more to Chesikano Eddie say, you know, they were ho. Minia, the Echo Sword in Ano. One more pie bone in Anne say, because of these Iran, Israel war, US war, no. Ka a better impact, negative impacts, Ghana for
Sompa FM.
But and then, into quite air cost inflation, say, minua, and 3.3%. dollar exchange rate number 10 cedis. So what I say, look at all the economic indicators. Bibia excellent. And so US
you can't say any impact because I don't pay what your fuel price.
Come again?
I don't pay what your fuel.
No, but you see, the impact is there, but it's not severe. It's there, but it's not severe. It's not severe because it is not. It is not that severe. It is normal. We are managing it. What them say? Crofo power. What them say? There, better fuel. But look at the exchange rate. No, listen, please. We are managing the economy prudently. And I make sure say, baby, exchange rate which is 10 Ghana cedis. Say a peja equal 17, 18 Ghana cedis. Any man excuse say because of entokwa equal and until na peja. Kaudum said you better fuel and because for diesel all these things is based on the exchange rate. So what I'm telling you is say and she say pa abino ediago in managing the the seed ama the impact are less severe. So and crofo na wa bemwa ka by this time one more the Iran Iran your friend say Israel levy aba because of entokwa ekoswo. So okay, levy. Now okay those factors, global factors. Yeah, COVID levy ama. Yeah. COVID levy you know okay want them to see say have a negative impact. And so somebody who levy e buy till on come more be man ka me no ka say say Iran levy US levy so mestre say sesia no me wo gidie say hwehwe pa aban no edi agu akwemu. I admit that yes, it's going to have an impact. It has started already, but impacts no ain't so severe. Pa you bet me decide say you be expand my oil refinery. Currently we actually consume 50% of the production there. You bet me expand. I mean, now you tell me I consume fuel I produce so it means about 60%. Yes, so it means that we even don't care. Say Iran for say Russia for say you bet me managing your in our own way. But you care about the impact. This is about 20%. Me say the impact. The impact you can want them. And Crofo no wa be man ka by this time dollar number 20 Ghana cedis.
So and I'm going to be Ibrahim say 17% increment in fuel no any severe impact.
054 or kind in a contest say Kenya dollar ne wo a year can become more than that percentage. So in a contest 0548 931 931 0551 931 931 and I'll pay birthdays. Hey, come on, pick me course. Birthdays, birthdays, I'll pay better Baba Humana so. My DC, I don't met me. 0548 931 931 0551 931 931. Now, you also watching chair as a lot of messages and so trooping me. I was a bunch of messages about and kind message by can be the modi will be back. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I'll pay you dinner, baby. I'm free.
Me kasasi kumase aswansi.
Okay, ye di anope.
Se anope di boko. Endis ni na oti ono. Me sama working. Boya di okasa, but you ma tendi ya di ye NDC for na. Ye NDC for no. Ada pecha ye twa na konta onye se de oyen. Otuko no mo ko di kokko ku afati am say, okko ku afosika di toku bi ni mo monene nam ye di no. Anyone can watch him. You be my 10 1 go for this phone or ha. That is now what you go giant. Shadow, you can't go to India, dollar coffin. Yes, dear boy. Now, what you town or yen. May any of from one. I tell you, go for dear, and it's in Casa. Ready a campaign, say LGBT by the side. Editors on nothing once. LGBT and not want them. Over the parliament here, near you, and she campaign she had before. At the end, I found. And now some kind of use you. Namuja, and put your to be a near at some of them.
All right, Medasi. Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Oh, open it, Christ.
Mr. Paul Chamaboom.
Sompa FM.
Yo, I'm afraid, Antonano, Mamma Chen, His Excellency, John Suboni Dramani Mama, Lawyer Samuel, a person who redeemed me. Nana one, Nana Nana one, letting any movie anymore, and the payment Mamma Papa. The paper Zuma reading Janny Papa. Open it, there, I thought it be our home. It's just a number here, it's pretty empty. If you don't move through, you have to need not the media send you a cat and never get it so dangerous. The media can send me of frame or see. Minimum before Musuni or Mubai Anna. I'm the daddy of the ship. And go for my Tabosama through. And you're moving that down. What does a common Kuma pencil? Do the data says, you. And almost please, but from Coconut. Any one from Wakuba the year in Coconut. Yeah. I don't know if you're my son. Oman would say, they am edging in my papa walk with him. I'm so proud by the disca. If you come for your mother, no matter how much I don't know, bread, I don't know cocoa quantity where you are. And that's all I could pop on my phone. And then go for that and let him fight. No more about my film. What I was so much. As I said, I'm not careful.
May I say, Chairman? Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because your friend is Italy. Be free as until Suka.
Okay.
Now, Kaka American say a good time business. Yan so Yakuma, Yan Ria, because man DC now and then could you kind of correct. I catastrophe was no man. What's a dollar coffee? And your top royal umbrella 730. Was it a dollar coffee? And the coffee not a year day. And then a brilliant top was a dollar coffee. And the busy and top was a dollar coffee. Sana BP, there's 1 BP yeah, cause I didn't call you 3 SHS. I didn't call you 3 SHS. And then this is you have a Kansas $9 and $1 petrol cost you $1 cost them. It is because some of your pocket say yeah, one year is here because I want to get your day off and fat and papa.
I think that's all. That's all. But hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Pastor.
Me Pastor Dean baby are free.
Your friend Isaac, make us free. Dibiase.
Isaac hit you on pay.
We dear.
Sompa FM.
I am a ya say your team muna a demo personal gain, you know. Or more the opportunity to me can't any. The system reality is not like that. And yes, sir, and certainly 2 foot. You have more so meanwhile, it's not like that. Ghana in your 69 years. You do Independence Day. But yet, they are you are talking of dollar. Controlling us. Yet we can't do anything. You need to me. Yes, you have a but I am yes, individuals. I bet not Kasa. You so now you to me Kasa. They said, yeah, Dubia, all right. Meanwhile, it's not. I acquire a quada. It's with them and ye.
Thank you. Medasi. Or message by Kana said the other by is not related to the American tea. Yard washing, so me who teacher could jotepa, teacher constitution, and say, Ako Kerry Junior, Mensa Saba, Oyibo, Inshira Aneka, and then James Tete, Teta Paswana, and I'll pay my main kind birthday. Yanya birthdays in a sports fund Tenassi and 10 terms. So happy birthday to Madame Abigail A. Opoku, Madame Abigail Abrefi Opoku. discipline in charge of Salvation Army Hospital in Yamwasi
Sompa
near
FM.
Abuna in Seche Central. May the Almighty God bless you and give her a long life. From Letitia Konedu, a nurse at Salvation Army Hospital. So, Auntie Abby, happy birthday to you from Letitia and Sompa FM, Sompa TV. We say happy birthday. The next one goes to happy birthday to Comfort Afrani, fire officer at Kumasi. Comfort Afrani, today is your birthday. Happy birthday from our own brother Orlando of Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Enjoy this amazing time, Comfort, knowing that God got you and you are special. So continue to work hard for Mother Ghana. Happy birthday, Afrani, Comfort. And happy birthday to Belinda. Belinda, today is your birthday. A businesswoman at Obuasi from Mr. Wack of Sompa TV. Mr. Wack say happy birthday. O say nyame shra ne na adoma wo. Nyame famfra adomu enkwa adomu. And happy birthday to Sister Theresa. Happy birthday to Sister Theresa. Accra from your mom, Mami Esi, and little sister, Mami Ama. O mami say nyame shra. Nyame emanye kese. Nyame famfra adomu nkwa adomu. Nyame emfa na basanto so. O mami say odo. Sanso na onua ketwa Letitia. Onua ketwa Mami Ama enso say odo pa. Enti happy birthday Theresa. I've had the last birthday, and so enkoma DJ Baloski. DJ Baloski, today is your birthday. Then Treman Radio from above Abake of Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Happy birthday, fantastic DJ. DJ Baloski or Bonyum say. Happy birthday, DJ Baloski. Enjoy this day. Yami sure be a gentleman. Thank you for coming to serve your people and Mother Ghana. Yami sure be a friend and Kwame Nkwantabisa and Nkwantabisa and Yami ma obia nyakasi. Some radio. The sports team matinasi. Messiahs na kasa neba. Mbapa Wack Orlando Sir Prince and Afei the apostle himself. Team now ready to serve us. Yami sure be a na Afei yemfa